Bilateral issues, we just now spoke about the line that we are talking about, starting from the western border towards the eastern border. So as you see here on the map, India believes this is the McMahon line, this is our area, but China says no, this is the actual area. Correct? Johnson line ki baat wo jo kar raha hai. So this area is entire Aksai Chin area which China claims. Right? So what had happened is, prior to 1962 war, before it started with China, it was all Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai, Chow En Lai and other people who had come to India. So that slogan was going on India, Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai, everywhere it continued. And in that garb, China continued building, roads and bridges in the area which is called as Aksai Chin. Because those days people used to say it's a barren land, why should anybody bother about it? वहाँ पे एक tin का घास का एक tin का भी नहीं उगता है. It is so barren a land, and because of the atmospheric conditions. So subsequently, after the 1962 war, when we came to know what China has done, we were all shocked कि what has happened. But they said nothing doing. This is our area. It's been there. So that is known as, basically, you have already occupied. Overnight, if we are sleeping, they will come and put a hut there and they'll say, no, we are here right from the beginning. So that's what it is. We are now coming down to the border issues and bilateral issues. The bilateral issues we have spoken about. China, when we have a bilateral issue, both the countries, so China has befriended all the smaller countries around India and it has encircled India. Starting off with Pakistan, you come down to Nepal, come to Bhutan, come down to Bangladesh. So you know it now what has happened. There is a coup there which has taken place and they are in full control there. Then you come down to, after Bangladesh, you come to Myanmar. Again, they have put their own people there. In the sense, army is there. They have been able to put Aung San Suu Kyi behind bars, and military rule is there. Same is the case with Bangladesh. Though we have got an interim government there, people who are taking care of the present situation of, they say it is democracy, but ultimately all the strings are in the hands of the army chief. Same is the case with now when you come down to Myanmar, same thing. Come to Sri Lanka, again debt problem. And then you come to Maldives, again the same problem, debt. Isn't it? So China has been giving loans to all these countries for development. And it doesn't do anything as a part of goodwill, which India does. We do a lot of work, we give help to our neighboring countries when we say, look, East policy, and take care of your neighbors. We do many things without any expectations. But China as such, whatever they do, they will say, okay, I will give you a loan and you will have to give me back. And if you are not able to return that money, जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं हर एक डॉक्यूमेंट के पीछे छोटे अक्षरों में लिखा होता है, if you are not able to do that, I will have to take your territory. You will have to loan them certain amount of territory for their use over a longer period of time. Like Hambantota, they have already done it. Pakistan is already in debt, so they have given the Gwadar port to them. Myanmar, Bangladesh में जाओ तो Chittagong port, almost China is controlling it. Though we have also got access to Chittagong port, but as of today, we don't know what's going to happen in future.